Hello and welcome back to IKEA 101. We have been sneaking into different areas of your home to find solutions for your daily needs. It has come to our knowledge that your towels were left lying around with no home. We even heard that someone's partner was angry because they left the towel on the bed. Even if they are not, why risk it? Let me help you find a solution to this daily life struggle. Your bathroom walls can be put to good use with some hooks and rails for your used towels. This helps keep your bathroom neat and tidy. Trolleys are very handy for bringing whatever you need to wherever you need them. It is also perfect for compact spaces. How about that for space efficiency? If you want your bathroom to have a sleek look with most things hidden, you can use the under-counter storage for storing towels and other essentials. This good-looking end-head bathroom shelf can be another addition to store your towels and have easy access whenever you need them. Whether you live in a rented apartment or in your own home, now you can have a dedicated place for your towels. Happy organizing!